Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video we're going to do a quick radio restoration on the Tivoli Audio One, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. We got a few minutes to kill here in the studios of 640 in New York City. We're going to take advantage. We're going to do a quick radio restoration of Tivoli Audio One. I did a video on this radio a while back. Great AM/FM radio, and we're going to do a little quick restoration. It's been sitting around for a while, and we're going to use some cleaning cleanser, clean up some dirty knobs. Get right to it. So enjoy. Quick radio restoration on the Tivoli Audio One. You could use this on your radios at home. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and we're going to try and rejuvenate this Tivoli Audio One. Did a video on it a while back. Great AM/FM radio, but this one is an older unit, and as you can see, we got a dirty knob here. Needs a little contact cleaner. I'm using WD-40 Specialist. Going to try it out. Hopefully can use it on other radios. It's mostly the volume knob, so let's pop it open. Got ourselves a WD-40 Specialist contact cleaner, and we're ready to go. Let's see if we can save this little guy from the junk heap. Stick with me. Bam! Cradle rock style. Work the knob.
He's free. Without everything locked up, we pass our retail theft bill. It's easier to go after these large-scale criminals.
All right, we're going to do this a couple of times and see what we come up with.
Really, that's kind of.
It's in the Jane Shepherd.
There you go.
Read a script or something.
Quick fix.
Or improvised.
To fix the Tivoli Audio One, if you have any dirty knobs, the dial, the band selector, or the volume, this will work for all three. Quick fix, keep your radio on the road. Worked even better the second day when it dried off a little bit. Okay, there you have it, a quick restoration on the Tivoli Audio One, just using some basic contact spray cleaner, specifically for electronics, so it doesn't leave a leaky residue, oily residue. I'll do some more videos on this and show you what I use here in the studios of 640 AM The Mix in New York City. Lots of classic radios. We want to keep them going. Part of our history, so it's a pleasure. Anyone can do these types of restorations, quite easy. Comment below, and we'll catch you next time on 640 AM The Mix. Check the description for the final word on the Tivoli Audio One. Great radio. Thanks for watching, everyone.